Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we'll try to see about lookups. Lookups in Excel are the most commonly used and most important function available in Excel. Let's understand what are lookups and how do we implement them. In your Excel, imagine you have two tables. One contains the order ID and the product name, and the other contains the order ID and the price. So, what does lookup mean is I want to see a particular value or a particular column value exist in some other column or not. Here, what I want to do is if the order ID in table 1 is present here or not, and if it is present, I want to get the price of it. So let's see how we can do that. Say VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP takes four parameters. First one is what is the value you're trying to look up, which means I'm trying to find order ID. So in my case, it's order ID. Next parameter takes the table or the list of columns in which you want to find the value. In our case, it is E and F, which contains order ID and price. The third column or the third input is the value of the return column index. What that means is if you look at column E and F, first column is order ID and second column is price. Since I want to return price, my column ID will be 2. The last parameter is it should be an approximate match or it should be an exact match. Most cases where we apply VLOOKUP, we should be doing an exact match. So you will notice it's mostly false. When I press enter to evaluate this, you will see the price of order 1 in column C. Similarly, if you drag it for all the rows, you will see the formula is applied in all the rows and you are seeing the corresponding price values. Similarly, VLOOKUPs can be used in various scenarios to identify if the data of table 1 exists in table 2 or if table 2 data exists in table 1. VLOOKUPs are generally referred also as vertical lookup, and it tries to find the value specified as first parameter in VLOOKUP into some other table, and it returns some column of a row where the value is found. In this case, if you see the first value is found in first row here, so you can return any column in the list of selected table array. That's how we implement VLOOKUP.